Hello, everyone. Can you hear me loud and clear? I think I can see myself clearly. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Welcome back again to Analytics with Anand. So today live is something very, very different. You see, as the name says, it's the master, the art of automating analytics using Alteryx. So we are kickstarting the Alteryx course from today onwards. So Hemant has also joined. He's a certified Alteryx trainer, right? So we both will be covering you in-depth Alteryx. And today is the Kickstarter. That's why we are live here so that you can see us both together, right? So Hemant is connecting back to the audio. He will soon be live. So welcome back. Good evening, everyone. So I will give you a complete walkthrough of what this Alteryx and ETL tool is all about. Then I'll hand over to Hemant to take care from there. Okay, so good evening, everyone. And also, you'll be seeing all the students joining us live. So those who will be seeing this video later down the line, you will see all the students interacting in the live community. How do we interact? How do we teach? At Analytics with Anand, teachings happen at all together a very, very different level. We communicate, we interact. It's not like that a typical college kind of thing where you have to raise hand and ask your doubt. No, you can come, you can interrupt in between, and you can feel free to ask your doubt in the chat. You can unmute yourselves and you can feel free to ask. Hemant, can you turn on your camera, please? Right? So this is all about the Alteryx, the world famous ETL tool, widely used in almost all the company, right? So I'll be soon sharing the screen. Let me give you a brief walkthrough of this entire course, and then we'll take it from there. Give me 1 minute. Hemant, can you turn on your camera? Yes. Okay. By the time Hemant connect to the audio and turn on his camera, let me share my screen quickly and give you a walkthrough of the entire Alteryx. Other students of my batch, those who are waiting, kindly be in the waiting room. Hemant has joined. Kindly be in the waiting room. So once I given the overflow, I'll add you here. Okay. So here we go. So we are live here also on, you can see on LinkedIn. So let me give you a complete walkthrough here. 1 second. Let me open. Yes, here it is. So this is the Alteryx course, which Hemant, we have an Alteryx certified trainer along with me. We will be covering this in in-depth detail. So if you are into the data analytics, if you have 2 to 3 years of experience these days, if you have observed, if you have seen how the job market is, we need at least one ETL tool in your resume. So you can start either with Matillion, that also course we have, or you can kickstart with this Alteryx course. It's a completely low-code platform. Even if you don't have a basics of SQL, Python, no worries. You can aram se learn this course, right? Easily you can learn. More Hemant will be talking about further down the line. I'm just here to showcase you how this course is. So you can go to Analytics Anand and you can enroll into this course, right? Coming back to the syllabus, we have the entire in-depth syllabus. Classes will happen the same time, Saturday, Sunday, 10 p.m. to 12 11. 2 hours class every Saturday, Sunday, right? And we have a doubt session. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group for all those things. So this will be completely from the scratch. These are the different syllabus. We'll be taking you on a journey to the ETL tool, how the automation of analytics you can do with the help of this Alteryx. Entire tool, I will be walking through one by one. Every tool will do it in the complete detail, which you see. This is the Alteryx interface. Word by word, Hemant will be explaining it to you, right? So I will be leaving it to you, and then I will allow all my students also to enter the classroom, and you will see how we interact, how we are installing Alteryx, and what are the different ways in order to configure Alteryx. Anytime, anywhere you are stuck, feel free to post a comment on this video if you're watching it later down the line, and enroll in this course. And do subscribe to this channel. We are close to 25,000 subscribers, silver jubilee. We are about to celebrate this, right? Just 100 shortfall. I'm having it right now. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel, learn the data analytics and data engineering in the right way, which I provide you through Analytics with Anand platform. Okay, over to you here, Hemant, right? I will stop sharing my screen and I will add all my students, those who are waiting in the waiting area. Hemant, can you hear me? Right? Can you unmute yourself? Hemant, are you there? I think he's not able to hear me. Let's wait till then. Let's wait for him to join. So if you want to start your data engineering journey, Alteryx is the right tool, which you can go ahead. Okay, Alteryx is the right tool. See, where is Hemant? One second. All my students are also joining. You can see those who are a part of this job guarantee program and data analytics course. Let me see where Hemant is stuck at. Yeah, Hemant, can you hear me? Something problem with the mic. I can see you. Hemant, your screen is stuck. I think something internet problem. Please check from your side, please. Hemant. I think he has some network connectivity issue. Others, those who are my students, can you please ping me in the WhatsApp group and tell him to join? I think he's not able to hear me. Some mic problem he's having it. Hemant, can you hear me loud? I think he's not able to hear me. Hemant! Sorry for that, guys. Let me ask him to rejoin it again. Hemant, check your mic, please. Check your mic. If you can hear me, check your mic. Check your mic, Hemant. I think something wrong with your mic. I think it's his first session. Maybe he's not aware with the Zoom, I think. Ah, he left it. Let's wait for him, guys. Let's wait for him. Let's wait for him. So yeah, as I was saying, if you are into the analytics industry, if you want to start your data engineering journey, and these days, not with SQL, Python, and Power BI, you'll be able to ace it. You need one ETL tool. You need one ETL tool, right? And that is Alteryx you can start from. It's a very, very easy tool. Even the certification is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay a single penny. You get 90 days of license, right? Completely free of cost. And you also get 1 year student license if you are a student. Hemant, can you hear us?
Hello. Yeah.
What's wrong with your mic? Since last 10 minutes, I'm uttering your name.
Yeah, sorry guys. I'm unable to hear you. No,
Something problem with the hub. So we have a Hemant. Now it's clear. So we have a Hemant here. He's a certified Alteryx trainer. So I leave the floor to him now. Hemant, it's your turn. Kindly introduce yourself and let's walk through on the journey of this ETL journey on Alteryx. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah, good evening all. My name is Hemant. I'm an Alteryx ETL consultant and I have close to 4 years of experience in the Alteryx and Snowflake, Python and MySQL and some other data technologies. Coming to the Alteryx, it's a powerful ETL tool where we can extract data from plenty of data sources like AWS S3, Snowflake, MySQL databases, other cloud platforms like GCP, Azure, whatnot. It has plenty of data connectors available, and we can apply different transformations on this. Like we can clean the data.
Hemant, sorry to interrupt. Hemant, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Can you share your screen, please? And then you can
Yes,
walk
yes.
through it so that it will be easy for them.
Yeah, sure.
I have made you co-host, so you can go ahead and share. So today, yeah.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, we can. Go ahead. Yes, present. Yes. Okay, over to you.
Yeah, this is an Alteryx interface where we can connect the Alteryx to different data sources. If your file is in local, you can connect. If your file is in AWS S3, you can connect. If your file is in Azure, if your file is in Drive, if your data is in FTP, so whatnot, we can connect it. You can connect to any of the data sources and extract the data and apply your business logic like data cleaning, data transformations, data enrichment, data blending, whatnot. You can apply a lot of data transformations in this. After that, our ultimate goal is to load the data into the data warehouses or data lakes. For this, we have many connectors available like AWS, Azure, Power BI. We can load our data to the Power BI, Google Drive, Snowflake. Like this, we can load our data to any of the data sources. And coming to this file format, Alteryx support numerous file formats like Avro, ggif, JSON, Excel, Parquet, logs, text, GIFs, whatnot. It has a number of file
Hemant,
formats support.
sorry to interrupt. Can
Yeah.
you go a bit little slow because the folks here are from completely non-tech background. So let's not go into the complete detail of the data. Let's give them overview first what Alteryx are meant for because otherwise they'll get confused. Let's not show this. Let's show the real Alteryx. How does it look? Why we use it? And what is the beauty of Alteryx in the data analytics and the data engineering industry? Because we have folks from non-technical background, technical, very background. So let's give them the complete picture first of all before walking them through the interface. How to install it? What all configuration do they need? All those things, right?
Yes. Coming to Alteryx, we have three ways to install the Alteryx. Like what? Coming to the Alteryx, a little introduction to ETL. We just need to extract the data, transform, and load. Coming to the Alteryx, it fits in all these three aspects. It can work in extraction, it can fit in the transformation, it can fit in the loading. Coming to the installation part, we have 30 days free trial available where anyone can sign up for the Alteryx website and you will get the 30-day free license. And for this, you don't need to have any license. You just register. You just need to download and it's done. It will be up for 30 days. And there are other ways to extend our license. This link is for 90 days where you need to register as an independent learner so that they will validate your profile and they will share you the license after 1 day. And it works for the 90 days. And you can register as a student also where so that if you register as a student, you can get 1 year license. So first of all, you all go through this link and register with a 30-day license so that it will be easy. I will show you how to install this. Just after going to that link, you will get a desktop trial and cloud. Alteryx has a desktop version and the cloud version. We will go to the Alteryx Designer desktop version. Once after coming to this website, you can just click on the Start Free Trial. So it will ask for your business email. You can give your personal email or if you have no restrictions, you can provide your business email also. And you just need to, suppose it's my email ID is and I can select my country. Just provide your first name, last name, your company as like anything like analytics with the Anand. Your phone number, select your function. Is it for personal purpose or any information? Select the IT and your role. professional. Just I'm not a robot and submit.
It is asking your business email ID, not.
You can provide anything. That's not a big issue if they want.
But sir, I was trying, which it was not able to log in with personal email ID.
You can just add any domain and try and give it a trial.
Sir, I think you have missed the phone number.
I already registered, that's why I'm not submitting. Anyone registered with this?
Actually, sir, we don't have any different domain for the email ID.
Okay, you can register with the second link. I will share that link in the chart. It is for the 90 days. I shared the 3 links in the chart. I think Anand has shared some documentation in the website itself. Please go through that. That's very simple. Anyone trying this? Hello, Anand? Okay,
So
let's
sir,
see.
in second email address, do we need to click on login because we have already have a license I have with me.
What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? I was in another call. Sorry. Hemant, floor is yours. Just discuss the doubt and whatever the people were facing. Just answer them. Yeah. What is the issue, guys?
So someone
Come
is
on.
facing the issue in
So
registering
we
with
need a business email address actually.
Yeah, we need a business email address. We need a business email address. Without that, you can't do the installation. It won't allow you. But if you're going for the 90 days license, which Hemant has shared, then you don't need in that case. Okay, then you don't need in that case. Then your personal email ID will work, which we have seen, Sonam. Sonam,
where
go ahead
we
with the
need
90.
to click?
No,
Where
already
we-
Hemant has shared the link, no? Hemant has shared the
No.
link for the 90 days.
Do we need to click on login button or where we need to click?
No, sign up, no, sign up. Hemant, show them, no, Hemant, show them just show them that screen. Click on the link and show them. That's what we are here for. Yeah, it's there. Independent learner registration. Just scroll down. Yeah,
So
first name, last
yesterday
name,
sir,
personal email
yesterday,
address.
so yesterday we registered this link. So today we have to just log in. Matlab,
Yes.
many of us have already registered on this site.
So just feed the personal email address, first name, last name, feed this. Since Hemant has given you 90 days license, after 12 hours, your license key will come. And you're good. You can go ahead with the personal email address. Only 30 days trial, you have to give your business email ID. Right? In that case. But why you want to go with 30 days when 90 days features is available already? Give the personal email address. Hemant, try with any of your Gmail ID. Let's see.
just click on the 90 days link and you just need to fill this form like your first name, last name, your current or previous employer, company name, and your personal email. Here, it won't ask for your business email. It just asks for your personal email. Just give it. and select the function, like select as an IT or a business analytics, BI. Select your current or last role. Select as a student, that's not a problem. Select your country here. Enter any postal code. Select your highest degree. And here LinkedIn profile is not a mandatory. Select your military status if you're working in any military or retired or veteran. I'm selecting, I'm not in the military. Select yes. Is your interest in the Alteryx designer license exclusive for your own learning purpose? Select yes here. Select here 0 to 3 months or anything like how many months you want to embark, like select any of your feasible month. That's not a big deal. Select and submit this form. After submitting, you will receive a mail confirming that you have successfully registered for the student license. And after 24 hours, you will receive a license over the mail. Anyone registered with this?
Yes, sir. We got the license key. Then what is the next step, sir?
Yeah, then can you share your screen? I will guide you the steps. So I have already have the license and I have activated.
I have logging with a different laptop, sir.
Is there anyone
Will I
with the?
share?
Yeah, please.
Okay, I'll.
Anand, do they have permission to share the screen? Can you give it a try? Are you able to share the screen?
Yeah, they do have. They do have. They are
Yeah,
the
please
students, so
share
they
it.
do have.
Yeah, please share.
Let me know if it is visible. Hello, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, where we need to click it?
Oh, just copy that license which you have received and open the Alteryx designer.
All right.
Yes, copy that. Open the Alteryx designer.
Just 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. Where I need to click?
Open Alteryx designer. Search in the search.
Okay.
You have
1
installed the Alteryx now? Open the Alteryx. Not this, not this. You have
We
installed
need
the
to
only-
Alteryx
install.
application.
We need to install the file that is given in the group, the exe file.
Haven't you installed that?
No, I did not.
Yeah, please
Uh,
install.
I'm installing that
It won't
one.
take much.
Can you
It won't take
please
much
give
time.
me that .exe file?
It's in
What
the
file?
group. It's
What
in the
file?
group, Sonam, WhatsApp group. In the Alteryx WhatsApp group, you can find that exe file.
All the instructions were already given in the WhatsApp group. Everything exe file. Just you need to click on that. It's a very simple process.
After you have the license, just go to the options. Click on the manage. Click on the manage license.
Okay, I stopped the screen sharing. Actually, I was not able to, I did not download the exe files.
Okay, I will show you. After you have installed this Alteryx, go to the options click on the manage license.
Okay.
It will prompt for the click on the activate new license. Then click on the license designer only. After that, paste your license here. Click OK. Then click on activate. Then it's done. You got it right? Hello, everyone understood? Please
Yes, sir,
respond.
I am trying.
Yeah.
Can you wait, sir? Because my application is in the process of installation, so it will take few minutes. So once
Yeah,
it's installed, we can proceed.
I'm stopped my sharing. If anybody wants to share your
Yeah,
screen, please
let
share.
me share my screen in that case.
Yeah, please share.
Just let me know. You can see my
Yes,
screen.
it is visible. Yes, it is visible. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. If you have a good configuration laptop like with 16 GB or 64 GB RAM, then Alteryx is capable of handling even billions of the data. There is no restrictions with the Alteryx. So it is with the system configurations. If you have good configurations, you can able to handle any amount of the data. In my office, we deal with almost 4 to 6 billions of the data daily. We have a good configurations in the installed in the servers. Once you entered in the organizations, the configurations are damn good.
Sir, after that file, downloading that file, what we need to do?
Have you registered for the license?
Yes, sir. I have a license key also.
Yeah, then have you installed this Alteryx?
Yes, sir. How can we install it? Means any specific link is there, or directly we can search it?
Yeah, I have shared that link in the chat now. For 30 days, for 90 days, for 1 year, you have to first open that link, register yourself there. After that, you will receive the license. If you have already the license, then Anand have already shared that exe file in the WhatsApp group. All the steps are shared in the documentation by Anand earlier. Is anybody trying other than Sujan? Suraj, sorry.
Sir, I'm trying.
Yes, sir. I'm also.
Yeah, please.
These two options. One is typically Alteryx, and second one is R managed. So we need to install typical one. These two options.
Typical one is which?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a document also you can refer. Let me just go through this. I guess
I
my
think Suraj,
system.
yours is installed. Please check.
Yes. So this is a document, web of you. We can refer this one. We have to select the first one, and then we have to follow next and next, and then we can install this Alteryx.
Where is this file in the group?
This is file in the WhatsApp group, the same.
Okay.
Below the exe file, there is
Already all the files, everything I have shared in the WhatsApp group. Why you are asking guys like an LKG student? Come on, just run the .exe file. That's it. Done. 3 link Hemant has shared. I have shared multiple times. Are you that fool enough? Unnecessary. You are dragging this course. Hemant is here to explain the entire workflow and you are making us to install it. 3 links have been given to you. Just use that. A .exe file is there. Just run that and feed your email address. How much time does it take?
Yeah, hi Anand. I have completed that.
Very good. Where is
Yeah,
the
please
link?
share.
Where is that? WhatsApp group is already there for that. Use it, nah. Use it.
Subham, I will explain what is Alteryx all about once after installation.
And Hemant, you can proceed. We are not here to show this to all the users. We are live here. Come on. Stop this.
Yeah.
Whose screen is
Okay.
this?
okay, I will stop.
Stop this. Let's proceed further. Huh? We cannot wait for the installation to complete. If it take half an hour, so shall we live stream this installation? Just do this. All the link files has been shared in the GitHub repository. Use that. Okay, Hemant, go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Once after the installation, coming to the Alteryx, it is an ETL tool. Means it is used to extract the data from different data sources and apply our business rules on that data and make data available to other stakeholders like data scientists or data analytics as per the requirement. For this, we have plenty of tools and available in the Alteryx. This is called the Alteryx canvas, where all the tools and the document are there. I will show you one by one. This is called the Alteryx canvas, where we just need to drop and drag the tools here. Just click with the mouse and drag and drop the tools. We just need to connect one tool to one another. That's how here we call this as the Alteryx workflows.
But
Alteryx
your
workflows
screen is
means
not
the
visible.
connect. Is it?
Okay.
One second, one second. Is it now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, now is
This is called the Alteryx canvas. This is called the Alteryx canvas, where we just need to drag and drop your tool and connect each tool to one another. Suppose this is called the input tool, where we can connect our data. Once after dragging this input tool, click on the setup connection. Suppose go to the files, go to the select files. enter your path here and refresh. That's it. Your data will be now written into the Alteryx. I will show that again. This is called the Alteryx input tool, where we just need to connect to the file or any data sets which is available in your local. After this, the left part is called the configuration window, where we need to configure the files like a path where it is available and the record limit, how many records you want to read, which as this is an Excel file, which sheet you have to read, and this is called the sample. If you click on the refresh, you can see some sample data from the file. Once after bringing your data into the Alteryx, to see the what is the scheme of the file, there is a select tool available where you just need to drag and connect to this. It automatically connects to this. So if you you can click on the input tool and drag like this. It will connect. Are you able to understand? Hello? Hello?
Can you repeat the second step in after giving the input, the first one?
Yeah. After bringing your data into the Alteryx, to see what are the columns available and what are its data types, there is a selector tool available. Just drag that tool into the canvas. It connects to the input tool. Once after it connected, we can see what are the columns available in the left pane. Segment, ship mode, order ID, sales are the columns available in the file. And these are the data types. All these are V strings and the sales is of double. And it is the size occupying maximum size each column is taking. It's 255 bytes. And we can rename our column names here. If I want to make it as a caps SCG, even we can change we can rename that, and we can add some description here. Here it is for file. In this way, you can add this description and just click on the run. So once after run is completed, you can see our results below. This is called the result window, where you can see the data available in the file. This is called the result window. In the result window, you can see the data and the metadata. You can see two buttons here, data and the metadata available in the output. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Once it is completed, if I want to know what are the segments available in the file, so these are called the different tabs available. This is called the input and output, where we can connect our data sets. This is called the preparation, where we can apply different formulas, different record IDs, where we can read some samples. And this is called the join tab, where we can join data sets. You can union your data, you can segment your data. And this is called the transform tab, where if you want to see what are the segments available in this file, just drag your summarize tool. This is the summarize tool. There is a number of options available in this summarize tool. Let's see one more. So after connecting your summarize tool to this select, in the left configuration window, you can see the fields available in the file. Here the highlighted field is segment. Once your field is highlighted, click on the add here. Just click on the group by and click on the run. This is called the output anchor, where you can see the output. Where you can see the output. Is it clear? Hello?
We have done group by on which column?
We have done group by on segment column.
Okay.
In the segment column, we have consumers, corporate, and home office. And if you want to know how many consumers are available, how many corporates are available, how many home offices are available, once after doing group by, we just need to count. Click on the add and count. Click on the count and run the flow again. See, in this file, consumers data is 448, corporate data is 251, home offices data is 135 data available in this file. Once after doing group by, if you want to save this data into the output, just drag your data. In the input and output tab, you have output data tool available. Drag the data tool available to the canvas. Pass the path here. If I want to save in the D drive, click on the setup connection. Select the file. Provide segment counts and save. Now we will see that output file.
In which format this file is saving, sir?
I will let, yeah. It is saving the file as YXDB. YXDB means the Alteryx database. This file supports only in the Alteryx. I will showcase you what are the other formats you can save the file. See, this is the file which we have saved right now. Just click on the run. See, consumer 448. We can see the output in the result window. What is the output from the previous workflow? Like this, we can connect one tool after one, and we can save that data into the output. It is a local file. If you want to save that data in the AWS bucket, we have AWS S3 upload tool available. Just drag that tool and connect to the output.
Sir, I have a question. In
Yeah,
this
please.
input table,
Yeah.
from where we have added this data set, this.
You can download any dataset available. Just after your dataset available in the local, click on the setup connection. After
Okay.
click on the data
Data
sources.
source.
Yes. If your file is an Excel file, you can see Excel here. Click on the files, and after clicking on the file, if your file is an Excel file, click on the Excel here. And my file is located in the downloads. Click on the downloads and open. As it is an Excel file, it has multiple sheets available. After clicking on that, I have 2 sheets available in my file. one is a dirty one and one is a clean one. I'm selecting the clean one and click on the OK. Now you can view your data. Is it clear, Suja?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any more doubts up to this?
Sir, what is dirty one?
That is a sheet available in my file. Please, like this is the data available in my file.
Sir, I have a question. So what's the difference between dirty? Okay, that's a sheet's name, right?
Yes, that is the sheet name. Dirty one is the sheet name. It is an Excel file. This is the clean one. I have cleaned this data into clean data. And I am reading this clean data into the Alteryx. Yes, someone is asking.
Yes, sir. So can you go to the Alteryx, please?
Yes.
So what I am seeing is like you have changed the name of the segment from all the letter in caps in the second step, right? Since you are in the
Yes,
first
yes.
step, it did not update it in the first step. So it remains reflecting the previous one that it was right.
It only reflects in the tool after that.
Okay,
See,
got it.
after that, after select, you can see all the header as a caps, right? It
Yeah.
will reflect after that.
Okay, sir. And one more thing. You also added a column called as count. So how did you do that? Do that?
I have calculated that. That is called the transformation. So it is available. This tool is available in the transform tab. We have different tabs available upwards like input, output, preparation, join, parse, transform. Just go to the transform, drag and drop your summarize tool. Click here. 4 fields are available in my file. Ship mode, order ID, sale. I want to see what are the segments available. So click on the segments column. After that, below, click on the add. Here, add is available. Click on the group by. Just run this. This is called the output anchor. For this tool, this is called the input anchor and output anchor.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. Since you have changed the name of the field, can you change the type of the field as well?
Yes, we can. Suppose it is the sales is in double, so we are able to see some decimal values. If I want to change that to int 64, if you drop down this, you can see number of data types available like Boolean, bytes, ints. If you change int data to string, it won't make much difference. I'm changing that to v string and click on the run. It won't make much difference. Suppose if you change this to int 64, all these decimal values will be trimmed. See, once after clicking the select tool, you can see all these decimal values got trimmed. It will be round off to the nearest value.
So after the summarization
Yeah.
tool, how we can see the result?
This is called the output anchor. After summarize, this is called the output anchor. If you click on this output anchor, the below part is called the result window. Here you can see the output results. If you want to see the metadata of this result, click on the metadata. If you want to see the data, click on the data. All these options are available in the result window. In the result window, we are going to see in the next session, we can do data quality checks and basic data filtrations. All these are available. Suppose if you click on this 3 dots menu, you can filter. If you want to, from the output, if you want to see only consumer, just type consumer and apply. Click on the apply. So it filters the data where the value is equal to consumers.
Sir, actually, I have applied this summarize component for the count
Mhm.
function, but I am not able to see the result. So, can I share my screen to?
Yes, yes, please share your screen.
So here you can see this. This is my file customer.
Okay. Okay.
After applying this step, I got this data type. What are the data column and the what is
Mhm.
type? And I
Okay.
applied this summarize where I have just counted the reason. But
Okay.
here I can't see any output.
You need to click on the run. You need to click on the run.
Okay.
Click on the run, not here. Blue button in the right side.
The blue button in the
Top right corner, Suraj, top right corner. Or right, more right.
Right, right.
okay. Okay, this one. Okay, got it.
Yes. Click on the output anchor now.
Output anchor. Okay.
Just click there. Just click.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sir, how we perform group by, can you show?
Yes, I will.
And just one more thing, sir, since we change the data type, can we change the size as well?
Yeah, we can do anything. I will show one by one. Someone is asking about the group by. Once you have connected your data set, just go to the transform tool, transform tab, click on the summarize and drag to the canvas. After this, I want to see what are the ship modes available in my file. So click on the ship mode. Is it clear up to here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After clicking on the ship mode, in the below, there is a drop down add is available. Click on that and there are many functions available. Out of this, at present, I want to know what are the ship modes available. So click on the group by. After clicking on the group by, here in the top right corner, run button is available. Click on that. So workflow is completed. After workflow is completed, you can see, click on the output anchor. And in my file, there are 4 different types of ship modes available. One is standard class, second class, first class, and same day. In this way, we can perform group by. And if you want to perform the join, there is a join tool available. Drag your data into this canvas.
So guys, you're seeing how it is working, right? How your Hemant is showing it. So it's just drag and place. No coding, nothing. Right? No coding, nothing. So if you
Yes,
have a
it is
basic understanding, so just drag and place it in the canvas. Background is SQL. Backend, what is happening, SQL is happening. That we'll see it later
Yes.
down the line. Okay, so understand the basics thing. Today is just the beginning. So understand, even if you don't understand how these concepts are working, understand the UI overflow and everything. We have a full-fledged course for this. So don't worry for that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now we just want to see how join tool works. Just I'm deleting the previous one.
How to delete that?
You just highlight and just click on the tool and you can click delete button or right click on this. There are many options available, cut, copy, delete, and click on the delete. Right click on the tool and click delete. I will show it again. If I want to delete this select tool, click on the select, right click, here it is delete. That's it. So if
Just one more
yeah.
thing. So suppose there are 3 more connections out of that particular one, okay, and I want to delete in between one. So
Okay.
once I will delete the middle one, so going forward it will delete all, right?
I'm showing that. So if you want to delete this middle tool, I'm deleting middle tool. It is not affecting others. So you need to connect this with this tool.
Okay.
If you want to delete all these things, select all, right click, delete. Two tools will be deleted at a time.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I want to use this same data set for the join tool. So I want to copy this same data set. So right click on the copy, and click on the canvas and paste. It's very easy to copy and paste. So I want to join datasets on the segment column. So here a join tool is available. Drag your join tool. In the join tool, you can see there are two input anchors is available. One is left and one is right. So left is your left dataset and R is your right dataset. In Alteryx, how join tool works is if your two dataset has a common data, that will come from this join. If your data is not present in the right dataset, it only present in the left dataset, that will come from the left anchor. If your data is exclusive to only right dataset, it will come from the right anchor. So I want to join dataset on the segment column. So click on the join tool. So I want to join on the fields. So click on the join specific fields. So it asks on which column you want to join. So click on the drop down, select segment. If there are two columns common in both the dataset, it automatically selects the other column from the right dataset. So select. I want to see the join data. Click on the run. See, if you click on the join, you see 281 records got joined. As there are duplicates, the data got duplicated. In the left, in the right, there are no common data available. All the data is common in both the data sets, so there is no left and right data sets. In this way, a join tool works. And if you want to open a new workflow, just click on the new here, a plus button.
Just one more question. So how many input ports we can have? So here we are having two input ports. So is the
Yes.
number specified or limited or unlimited?
In this join tool, you can pass only two data set. One is for the left, one is for the right. So this join tool is limited only to the two data sets. In the further classes, we can see how to join multiple data set. If you have 3 or 4 data sets, how to join with the join. There is other tools available. I will show that in the coming sessions. So if you want to save this workflow, just click Control S or go to the file and click on the save. So click select where you want to select where you want to save this. If you see, I want to save this as Alteryx day 1 demo. It is saving as YXMD, means Alteryx workflow extension. This is called the Alteryx workflow extension. It is YXMD. All these questions will be part of designer core exam. So please be remember, YXMD is the workflow extension. If you want to close this workflow, just click on this cross mark or click on this and close. It will close the workflow. And if you want to apply any record ID to this dataset, just there are record ID tool available. So just click on which column you want to apply record ID and click run. So it appends a unique value to all the records. 1, 2, 3. As my input data has 3 rows, it appends 1, 2, 3. In this way, we can append the data set. So suppose if I want to create new column, just there is a formula tool available in the preparation tab. Just drag and drop in the left configuration window. Just click on the add work. Just click select column. If you want to create a new column, add new column. I want to create a new count. So what I want to what the value in this is you need to add 100 to the count column available. The count is available in my input file. So for that, count plus 100 and just click on run. Now my output has 3 columns. One is 448 and the new count is 548. So in this way, you can make use of a formula tool to create new columns or apply functions to the existing columns. Suppose in my segment, there is a home office, corporate, consumer. If I want to make that as uppercase, so in the same formula, we can apply multiple functions. There is no restriction for this. In the same formula, I am clicking the add button here. I am selecting the segment column. If you select the existing column, it applies on the same column itself. So there is a function called upper available, and you need to pass the column name. Just click on the run. Now your segment column is in uppercase. See, previously in the input, it is in lowercase. After applying upper and new count, we have 3 columns and the values are in uppercase. So in this way, we can make use of formula tool to apply. Next, suppose if you want to filter,
Sir,
only, yeah.
recording has been stopped. You can start the recording.
Anand, can you see this? Hello. Hello, Anand.
What happened, Hemant?
Yeah, someone is saying recording.
No. This is not recording. This is a live streaming. Come on, guys, grow up. You continue.
Yeah. Suppose I want to filter data from my data set. There is a filter tool available. From this, I want to filter only corporate data. So we can apply basic filter. It works only on the one column, and there is a custom filter where we can apply a filter on multiple columns. So click on the basic filter and click on the segment where segment is equal to corporate. And click on run. Now in the filter, it takes one input and it has 2 outputs as a true and false. What I have provided in my configuration, where segment equals to corporate. So in the true anchor, I have to see only corporate. In the false, other than corporate, what is the data available in the segment column? All this is a part of false. In this way, filter tool works in Alteryx. It is very simple. And if you want to apply on multiple columns, there is a custom filter. We will see that in further sessions. And suppose if you have some data to pass as an input, not in the file, but you want to add that manually. So just drag text input output. It is in the input output tab. Drag text input. Suppose I want to add some data like analytics with Anand. Analytics with Anand. So it is in the single. It is a single value in the field 1 column. Now I want to split this value into 3 columns. So we can make use of the split. You can go to the parse tool. There is text to column tool available. So in this tool, there are plenty of configurations available. At present, I just want to split this data into 3 columns. So select the field which you want to split. It is a field one. What is the delimiter in the file? The delimiter is a space. So give some tab space and click on run. Now see, all this data is split into 3 different columns based on the delimiter which it has provided. In this way, text to pass tool, text to columns tool is available. And coming to input in DB, this is called the in database tools. Suppose one day your data is in the Snowflake, you want to work with that, you have to connect to that Snowflake from here. So we need to configure, there is a ODBC driver available. We need to configure that driver and connect your data set using that driver and bring that extract the data into the Alteryx canvas, so we can work on it later. And this is called the documentation tool, where we have comment, explore box, tool container. We can see all this in the Alteryx intro workflow. So this is called the comment box, where if you drag and drop that comment, once after building your workflow, you need to comment each and everything what is happening in this workflow, what each tool is like how each tool is working, or what are the business rules you have applied. All these things you have to comment there. Suppose this is the workflow. I want to add some comment here so that my colleagues will understand easily. So just drag here, just type, I'm applying filter transformation. Filter transformation. So like this, you have to comment your workflow so that when you display this workflow to your manager or your teammates, they will easily get to understand what is happening in this workflow. In this way, comment tool works. And there are many coming to the interface tools. So these all will be
So just
helpful for, yeah.
one question. Suppose I
Yes.
want to add new comment to that, new comment to other box.
Okay.
How we can do that?
You want to add the new comment.
New comment in another box, not in the
Yeah, you can drag that enter comment toolbox. Just add. This is the comment box.
Okay, thank you.
That's it. Yeah. And coming to the interface, there are many tools available. These tools are helpful in building macros. We are going to see batch macros and some standard macros, which are helpful in automating the workflows. We will make use of all these, many of these tools from here while building macros. Those are very important. And there is a
Yes, sir.
connector. Yeah.
Yeah, have you add this file Alteryx into YXMD? Have you added? Or you know
YX?
that YXMD, the Alteryx intro, have you added this file in this?
Once after
Or
building
yeah,
this, I will show you.
yeah.
I just copying everything, Control A and Control C. Click on the new workflow. Paste. This is how we need to build the workflow. After building the workflow, just click on Control S. So I want to save this file as Alteryx intro 1. So the file is saving as YXMD. This is called the Alteryx workflow extension. As I repeated earlier, this is called the Alteryx workflow extension, and click on the save.
Okay, what is the extension for Python? Quick for everyone. What is the extension for Python?
.py.
What is the extension for text file?
.txt.
What is the extension for any Matillion file?
.json.
Very good. So what is the extension for Alteryx? .yxmd file. Right. Now, how you will open the .yxmd file? You can open in Notepad editor easily. Right. Any Notepad editor, you will be able to open it. Right. The final project, which you will see the automation of this entire workflow using Python. So today's class, just understand the overview. Right. We are not here to complete the entire Alteryx, which Hemant is showcasing you just a flavor of different components. So understand in bits and pieces what this overflow is doing. Right. And once Hemant gets completed, I will tell you how you can practice every tool, one tool at a time at the end. Okay. So those who are watching us live also on YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay. Yeah.
So once after building the workflow, if you want to open that, click on the file, click on the open workflow or open recent. So I want to open from the open recent, click on the Alteryx intro one. It opens the workflow. Suppose at one time
Hemant, let's show them one demo. Okay, so I have one project which I have currently worked for one of the client. That Alteryx file is there. Let me show you that. Okay, Hemant, can you go to my GitHub? Let them show them how the real project works in the industry. So to have a real flavor. Analytics with Anand, GitHub you type. Analytics with Anand, GitHub. It will come automatically. GitHub you type. Automatically it will come. First one. Go back to your main branch. Branch, you see main. Main is there. Main is written. Main is there. Go to Python. Go to code file. Go to XML. And come down. Come down. I'll tell you which one to download. Come down. YXMD. Can you download that? Expected serial claim? Yeah. Yes. Download it. See, even you can see the preview. This entire preview is like an XML file. Right? Internally, how it is stored? XML. Extension is YXDB, but how you will open? In the notepad, it will open in the form of XML. Right? Now you see how Hemant will open this file. How you open any file in PowerPoint presentation and MS Word. After downloading, you go to open file and then just reopen it. Now open the Alteryx interface, Hemant. Since you have downloaded this already.
You can double click on this
yes, it will open.
workflow, or even you can go to the Alteryx.
Same how we used to do it. Yes.
Click on the file, open workflow.
Browse.
Many options available. Click on the browse, go to the downloads, and expected is this one? Yeah, expected seed claims by treaty.
Open.
Click on that and click open. It will open the workflow now.
Just hold on for a second. This is the workflow you'll be designing in the industry, right? Filter, aggregate, some combination. So this is the real flavor. Nowhere you have to write any code. This is a completely low code. We don't say no code. It's a very low code platform, right, Hemant? It's not a no code completely. We can write it code also. It's a low code platform.
We can code with the Python tool available. We can make use of it.
Yes. So it's complete workflow. If me and Hemant will help you master each and every tool. Hemant, what is that second tool in the first? Is it that filter? The first one.
This is called the input, and this is the formula tool.
Yes, formula tool. See the formula. Can you see the formula? It's written on the left hand side. Yes. Then you have the filter tool, true, false. Then you have the summarization, right? Then you have the joins, which Hemant was giving you the overflow. So these are all the different which you see it, right? Input, output, and all these things. So these kind of workflow we will do at the end of the session, which Hemant will guide you, right? Last we'll see these kind of the output. Is it clear? Is it clear? So this is the workflow you'll be designing for the company. And how much time do you think it will take for you to design? Will client give you 1 or 2 days? No, it takes months. Testing, validation, all those things. So it's a month project. Okay.
See how Anand also commented this LinkedIn to network file like this. We need to comment our inputs and outputs so that anyone who opens this workflow easily connect the dots.
So those who are watching us live from YouTube and LinkedIn, this is the real flavor I wanted to give it to you, right? Understand? So this is how industry works, and this is how you will be designing from the pipeline, from the complete scratch till complete end. And Alteryx has a beauty, as Hemant said, 90-day license you get. And if you are from the college, free 1-year subscription you get easily. right? All the links, description, video, I will share it in the description of this video. GitHub link will be there. Complete repository, I'll create it for you. You can go and sign it up for this course. Yeah. Yeah, continue, Hemant.
Yes, I'm closing this for yeah. And coming to this connectors tab, we have many connectors available like Amazon S3. If your file resides in the Amazon S3, suppose client shares the file in Amazon S3, so you need to just drag that tool to this canvas. And here we need to pass the secret key and access key for the to access that bucket. So that once after passing that secret key and access key, in the below you need to pass the bucket name and the object path. Once after all these are successfully inputted to this tool, you can easily extract your data to the canvas and you can work easily. Recently, Alteryx has also introduced Azure Blob Storage. So like AWS S3, you can pass your credentials in this Azure Data Lake file input. It works in the same way. And in the same way, they recently introduced GCP containers also. If your file is resides in the GCP cloud, Google Cloud, you can easily extract the data. Suppose if any tool is not available in the Alteryx, you can go to the marketplace. There is something called as Alteryx Marketplace. There some tools are freely available and some are purchasable. You need to purchase some tools. If there is any free tool available, you can just download and install. That is very simple. Just go to the marketplace and see your requirements and download the tool. In the same way, in the similar manner, I download this Power BI output tool. By default, they won't be part of a connector. So you can see from your designer.
So Tableau is not Tableau we need to buy.
We need to see if there is a free tool available in the marketplace, we can download. If there is any licensed or purchased tool available, we need to purchase. It depends. And coming to suppose you don't know how to use this filter tool. In the Alteryx, this is the best part available. Click on any tool. Here you can see the open example. If you click on the open example, there is a properly and clearly documented how this tool works. See, they provided one input, they connected to this filter tool, and they have documented what is this filter tool, what is this true, what is this false, what is coming from true, what is coming from false. Like this, even if you stuck anywhere, you no need to wait for someone to guide you. You just click on this any tool, click on this sample, open workflow, it works. Any doubts still here?
So can you show that how to open that sample?
I want the feedback from the new folks, those who are completely from the non-tech background. Is Ritika is there in this call? And those who have joined recently, do you able to understand? If you don't know the SQL and all. Ritika, clear hai?
Yeah, overall, I have understood the tool.
Overall, you got the picture, right? That's what the main motive is. What these tools are meant for.
Suppose you stuck with the select tool. You don't know how to use this select tool. So click on the select. In the selector, they provide a little description. Select, deselect, reorder, field size, SNA description, and click on the open example. It opens an example. See.
I think this is the USP, Hemant, which I have not seen even in Matillion. Do we have this feature in Informatica or any other ETL tool?
I'm not sure about that, but might be.
Matillion, I'm pretty sure. Matillion, this thing is not available. You don't have the complete feature. This is, I think, here the Alteryx is the winner, clear cut. Hemant, can you go to help? Can you go to the help?
Yes.
Can you go to the sample workflow? Can you go and learn one tool at a time? Can you go in and out? So just be on the screen. So guys, this is the tool. If you are seeing any class is not happening, suppose Hemant is not well or I am not well, do not wait for us. This is the clear picture I'm telling you how you can master each and every tool without my and Hemant intervention easily. आज पढ़ने का मन कर रहा है, Alteryx का क्लास नहीं हुआ, खुद गए, ले लिए date time now. Hemant, click on date time now. Click on date time now. Yeah. Yes. Hemant, just select it. Select the first data set and click on run. Yeah. Let's see, guys, how this is behaving. Go to that output tab.
You see, current
Yes,
date.
see this. No need of intervention. There's no coding here. Nothing I'm doing. See the format. Hemant, can you change the format? See how you learn a tool.
Yeah.
Select that. Being daytime. Can you change the output format for me?
Like
No. Leave about select. I don't want select. Don't put in that. Just one tool at a time. Uncheck that select tool. Just delete that. Let's be in this screen. Go back to the output. Select that tool. Can you change the format? No, previous one. Input tool. I saw somewhere. Can you change the output format for me?
Like to
Left side. Output format is the left side. Date time.
Left side, below English, left side.
This one. Okay.
No, below that.
Below that.
Yes. So you don't need our help. This is the beauty of this tool. Entire tool you can master. So if anyone asks how date time works, how rank works, how record ID works, how sample works, go to add-on, go to help section, one tool at a time. This is how you can practice. To give it a shot. No SQL code, nothing. Select any other thing.
Yeah, I'm changing the format to DD, month, and YY.
Right. Yes. Imagine how many lines of SQL code we used to write it for this. Right? See, nicely it has given. है कि नहीं नकुल? Right? कितना आसानी से दे रहा है ये? आराम से. For this you have to write a SQL code and all those things. Automatically things are done. That's the beauty. That's why the name of the course is Automating Analytics using ETL tool, Alteryx. You can automate many of the stuffs. Hemant, can you also show them the flavor of filter component? Just delete this. Go to help.
Yes.
Remove all those, which is not required. Just remove all of those. Unnecessary cluttering your canvas. I want all of you, those who are watching us live, those who will be watching us live, after Power BI, learn one ETL tool. It's must in the industry these days. Okay, just with Power BI, SQL and Python, it won't work on a longer run. One ETL tool is mandatory in your resume. And plus, openings are also there for Alteryx. Learn one tool at a time. Check where the filter is there. Suppose even I don't remember. Filter is there in preparation tab. Click on that. And now you see. Read all the sentence. Go to the documentation. Execute it. See how many use case they have given it nicely. Hemant, can you click on the input data? First run it. Then click on the input data. We'll see. Here they go. Nowhere SQL code you have to write it. See the input data? Understand the data first. We have customer ID, first name, last name, gender, regions, code. Let's see the first filter. What is the first filter? See what is written. The basic filter option allows for easy comparison of column against a static value. Record with customer ID greater than 30 are true. Where I have written that? Ritvika, कहाँ लिखा है मैंने? Left side में customer ID greater than 30. कहीं SQL नहीं है. But backend में क्या है? If I write to write the SQL script, select star from sample data where customer ID greater than 30. I don't have to write that. That's what the ETL tools are meant for. Getting my point, everyone? Right? You can check the second one. Hemant, can you click the next one? The second flavor.
Yes.
Basic filter is not null. What I have written in the left-hand side, if you see, select that. Last name is not null.
Is not.
So can you all practice this tool on your own? We will be teaching you. Don't worry. We will be teaching you both. Me and Hemant will teach you. But I want you to practice this. We'll cover the entire Alteryx within what? 3 months, 2 to 3 months max. If you are with us. Don't expect, okay, Anand explain me filter, Anand explain me record. No, material is given it to you. If you have any doubt, reach out to us. Right? Reach out to us. Just you should understand how every component works. We will explain you for sure, but it's your responsibility to do all the permutation and combination. Try all the different options. If any option is not working, feel free to reach out to us. Okay.
Suppose, I want to show one more feature.
Yes, go ahead.
So I just have one question. So are we
please.
going to deep and dive in each and every feature in further classes, right?
Yes.
No. That will be very spoon feeding. Already deep dive has given you this you have to practice on your own. We will show you, but we'll show you from the company point of view. Use case will show you. This is the basic one you have to practice. How filter works, how joins works, how parse works, how transform works. Everything will do it, but we'll do from the different context, different angle. In this case, we have to use this component. That clarity you should be having it. Which case? So go to learn, help, one tool at a time, and then practice that. We will also do it, no doubt. We will also do it, but it's your responsibility. Do not expect spoon feeding in this course. Otherwise, this course will go for 6 months then, in that case. Because this is the feature of Alteryx, which no other ETL tool, as per my knowledge, Matillion has not given. I know that. I don't know about Informatica and all, but this is the best feature of Alteryx. Learn one tool at a time. You have sample workflows, right? Matillion has also given you, but Matillion has given you the complex project. Not every tool they have given it, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose once after running the workflow, it is providing us the data. But how do you think it is providing us the data? See, there is a plus sign available below. That means these are macros. These are called the macros. If you want to see how this tool was built, click on right click, open macro. This is called the macro. See, macro extension is YXMC. Workflow extension is YXMD. Macro extension is YXMC. So click on this macro. They use these many tools to form that date time tool. These are called the macros. We are going to build a couple of macros. So moving forward, as per our business requirements. This is called the other feature available in the Alteryx. There are many macro types available like standard and iterative macros, batch macros. We are going to see some of the macros. This is some other feature. Any doubts still here?
Hemant, we'll try to cover the maximum tool, as I believe 90% tool, whichever we have used in the industry, I have used or you have used, we will show them the flavor. Here and there, one tool which may come, which may not, like most of the ML tools are there. Then we have for the like text parsing, NLP related tools are there. Whichever is used in the industry, we'll show them the flavor, right?
Yes, sure. Yes.
And can you also walk through, I think we have missed the certification part. Can you walk them through a certification part, or have you done that?
Yes, I
just walk them. So guys, I believe Hemant, Alteryx certification is free, if I'm not wrong. Most of them.
Alteryx Designer Core and Alteryx Advanced certifications are free. If you want to go with the Alteryx Expert, and they charge $150 for Alteryx Expert. But most of the companies expect the candidates to complete Alteryx Core and Advanced. That's enough.
Okay, wow, great.
See, if you go to this link, I will share that in the chat. I pasted this link in the chat. In the Alteryx Academy, if you see, there is a certification resources. They are providing the resources. There are challenges where we can challenge Alteryx publish some challenges, so we can solve and build your own portfolio there. And click on the certification exams. See, these are certifications available in Alteryx. These are the basic certifications.
Free one, I believe. These are all the free one.
These are the basic certifications for the freshers who are just starting with Alteryx. Just give it a trial. They are free and they are easy to crack.
And so once the course progresses, so they will automatically come to know when is the right time to give all this certification.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Click on the designer desktop. You will see the first certification is Alteryx micro credentials. This is for the This is the foundational certification. All the beginners try to complete this once after a couple of weeks of this course. And after this, go with the Alteryx micro credentials, designer, data preparation. There are 4 different certifications available that is equivalent to Alteryx Designer Core. If you clear Alteryx Designer Core, it is equal to 4 different certifications.
Wow.
All these questions are the part of Alteryx Designer Core. If you clear Core, that's it. You are almost good to work in the industry.
So what is the basic criteria to work in the industry? Alteryx Designer Core certified, Core 1.
Yes. Alteryx Designer Core is necessary.
So how much does it charge? How much does it charge?
Up to Alteryx Designer Core and Alteryx Advanced, they won't charge anything.
Oh, wow. Then guys, take the flavor of this then. Cool. Then I want all of you to crack this.
See, Alteryx Designer Core is free. Alteryx Designer Advanced is free. They are charging for Alteryx Expert. For this, you need to be very expertised in the tools, and they provide some use cases, and they want to solve those use cases.
So Hemant, tell
Designer
me,
expert.
I'm asking you rather than answering this, are our course is that much enough to crack this Alteryx designer expert, or we are teaching till them Alteryx designer advanced level?
We are teaching them till the Alteryx designer advanced.
Okay, we are teaching them till Alteryx designer advanced level.
Yes,
Okay.
most of the tools and covered till Alteryx designer advanced. Yeah.
So what is there in Alteryx designer expert which we are not covering it? Is there anything like that?
For this, it means, it doesn't mean we are not covering. They provide use cases.
So anyhow, we will be also covering use cases in our course later once we
But-
are thorough with this.
Yeah, once they are very clear with all the tools, and once they got expertised in the tools, then it is easy for them to crack the expert.
Okay. It's same like other, like Snowflake also have a Snowflake core and advanced like other tool which we have,
Yes.
use cases and
Yes.
all. Okay, fine. Then they'll be able to clear this out also.
In the Alteryx Designer Core and Advanced, it is a MCQ type of questions and some workflow building questions. You just need to build a workflow and get the result and answer those questions. And most of the questions are MCQs, so it is very easy to clear. It is a 2.5 hours
Very
exam.
good. Then that's fine. No need to
No,
edit.
it is-
It's very good.
Yeah, it is valid for 2 years.
Okay. You have cracked certification till where?
I have cracked till Alteryx Designer Advanced.
Very good. So help them in cracking too. I want all of you
Yeah.
folks, those who are watching us live, who will be part of this course, we will make sure you crack till Alteryx Designer Advanced. Right. Okay. To secure a job, what salary can be expected as an Alteryx developer? That's a very good question. What are the salary constraint, Hemant, in this?
It depends. It changes by company to company.
Like average salary, if we talk about for a 3 years experience candidate, or Alteryx anyone can take. Like, is there any fresher opening for Alteryx? I don't think so.
There are fresher openings. I just recently gone through LinkedIn, and I just saw they are recruiting the freshers also, but it is
wow.
less.
Okay. What is less? It's like a layer to your resume, right? If you are well versed with SQL, Python, Power BI, right? Then it will add an extra layer to it will add extra flavor to your resume. Basically, it will enhance your skills, right?
If you're working as a data engineer or a data analytics, it is one of the skill set they will expect from the candidate.
देख लो Nakul, Ritvika, and everyone. So those who are in the data analytics industry, those who are hearing us, if you are into any course and they have not given you ETL tool into that, they are fooling you then. Straight away, I'm telling you this online. Right? ETL tool these days is must have. Even I have seen they want Power BI, they want SQL, they want PyBL. ETL tool is an added advantage. They will write it at the end. Right?
Yes,
One ETL tool.
yes.
Be it Alteryx, be it Material. So since we have kickstarted this course, Alteryx, start working from today, and me and Hemant will make sure you will crack all of this. Yeah. Okay.
Any doubts from the candidate side? If you have any doubts, just ask.
Yeah. Feel free to post your query now. We are open.
If you have any doubts or any use cases, or if you want to know what are the futures available.
And I think this tool is very user friendly. It doesn't make me everything is there right on the screen. You just drag, place, sample workflow. They have given them nicely. Just then the use case will make them do the project, end-to-end project. Then they will realize how to, add all this component and create the entire workflow. Right?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
So at the enterprises level, how much they charge for Alteryx?
Alteryx,
this is free, right, for 90 days. But if we
Yeah.
go to the enterprise level, how the bill occurred, how much they charge?
It depends. Suppose a company can take multiple licenses. There is no fixed charges available. There is some negotiation. They charge in lakhs, not rupees.
Can
They
we
charge
have
lakhs.
can we have any payment page where they have mentioned all this information? Do we have any page? Alteryx
I'm
pricing.
not
Just check on the
I'll-
Google Alteryx pricing. As of now, what are the assumptions I have? What Alteryx is completely free. But let's just think from enterprise point of view. Pricing, yes. Yeah. Oh. Okay, wait. Designer Cloud starts from 4950 USD. What is this 1,2? And then designer desktop, you have to contact sales for one license, I think. What does that mean, Hemant? I'm not sure. In bracket, what do they mean? For license?
Maybe for one system.
Okay. Oh, so basically we have to contact the sales people then. Okay, they
Yeah.
have not exposed the pricing then. So for $5,195, is it monthly, yearly, what it is? Or how is it? For one license, is it $5,000?
Yeah, for one license, they are charging $5,000.
Then how much it is? That means 4 lakh rupees almost.
Yeah, they're charging lakhs. That's why I'm saying.
Oh,
But
wow.
it depends on negotiation. They are open for negotiation, it seems.
Okay.
Company takes multiple licenses in bulk.
Okay. And did we? I was not available in the first half. Did we show? Show them how the Alteryx cloud also works? Did we log into that system and showed them?
I'm not yet sure them.
Can we show them? Can we show them? Since this is the beginning,
Yes.
let's show them the cloud. So what is the difference between desktop and cloud? The feature wise, not all features are present in the cloud, I believe, or every features are present.
Not all the features are available in the cloud. Most of the companies will work on the Alteryx designer only. Most of the companies, and I will show how.
Like in Matillion, we have the complete ETL, which is there on the cloud. We don't have the on-premise. So Alteryx has given 2 features. Yeah.
But there is some features available, like there is something called an Alteryx gallery where we need to build your workflow in the Alteryx designer and upload your workflow to the gallery. Once after it is uploaded to gallery, anyone from the team can access that workflow.
Okay. Do you have the cloud login access?
Oh no, I think I haven't registered to the cloud.
Anyone in my team have the this one login? Ritvika, are you able to log into our Alteryx cloud?
Let me check. I have done in the afternoon.
Yeah,
can you
please,
share your screen?
share your screen.
Yeah. Let's give this flavor also because this is important.
You're saying to me, right?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay.
Akash says easier than Matillion. कह सकते हैं,
Yes, it is easy.
Yeah, it is easy. Cloud version, Ritvika, not this designer. Cloud one.
Okay, no, then I haven't tried.
Anyone has the cloud version ready? Or let me see if I have. Guys, I can't hear you. You are not in the network area, I think. Let me see it. I cannot hear you. Let me log in into mine and see.
Even for that, you need to register for a 30-day free license.
Yeah, I think I have the one. Oh no, it's not working for me. Even I have not registered. One-time password. 1 second. Anyone has active? Cloud one? You don't have the credentials, Hemant, for the cloud one?
No, we have to register separately for that.
Achha.
Okay. Like how we register for designer desktop, we need to register for cloud trial.
Second one-time passcode. Let me try.
This is where we need to register for Alteryx cloud also.
1 second, I will share my screen.
Yeah.
Yes. So I have taken my student this one credentials because he's studying in VIT Bhopal. So he got 1 year license. So let me show you. So student ID has this 1 year license. If you go to the option manage license, you get this 1 year of subscription. Yeah.
Sir,
You see this?
I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am also a university student.
Yes.
So I can also get it for 1 year license.
Yes, I'll show you how the mailbox looks like. I'll show you. Let me show you.
Yeah, we have shared that registration link for that.
Second, come on. Let me log in. I'll show it to you. You see this. First, you'll get this mail. You need to just download it. Okay. And then you have this license here. Right? Congratulations mail will come. You have this license, just copy paste.
What
Right.
we need it for student, sir?
A
Student
student
email.
ID card. ID card. So Sonam, do one thing. Take one ID card. Right. Take the current semester mark sheet if you have it, or
Okay.
any certificate. Attach both. They'll approve it.
Okay,
ID card should
I
have a
have.
validity. Yes. So
I
you will
have
get
it.
1 year license.
Yeah,
You will
sure.
get absolutely free 1 year license. Link already we have in the Alteryx group. If you see here in the Alteryx group, right, if you see in the Alteryx group, we have given that link, I think. Where is that link? Here is the link. Right? 1 year. So go here, click on the link directly, and then, yeah, you have this. Sign up now, fill the form, university email ID, Sonam. Make sure. Name of the college, first name, last name, and university email address. They'll give you a verification link over there.
Okay.
So
Sure.
university email address. Like even when I was in the BITS plan, I used to take that only, but now it's not working. It has to be the active one. Okay, it has to be the active one. So try this as a student account. Those are in the college, so that will help you.
Shravani is asking that what if one fail in exam designer advance? So if you fail in the exam, so you have to wait for 1 week to 2 weeks, and you can give a second.
Okay.
There is no limitation in number of tries you have to give.
Clear. But at least they will crack the, I think, the free one first.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So try exploring this tool, guys, from tomorrow onwards. Anyhow, we won't be live, so we'll have an in-depth session on Zoom. So those who wants to join this course, go ahead and enroll straight away. We'll be teaching you in complete depth. One ETL tool these days is mandatory, like how SQL and Python is mandatory. Okay, and this is very easy, right, Hemant? It doesn't require that much of knowledge also. If you have a basic understanding, basic IQ level, you can understand it clearly.
You don't feel that you are a non-tech, or you are a part of, you are between the tech people. Don't feel that it is very easy. Anyone can learn so easily, but need a little efforts. That's it.
Yes. Okay. That's all. So link about this course has been mentioned in the description of this video. You can reach out to Hemant also on LinkedIn, and Manito, you know me already. So feel free to reach out to the Hemant also on LinkedIn. And any doubt, if you have any concern, do let us know. Tomorrow we are again having class, not live. We'll have the Zoom link. So if you want, reach out to me. Reach out to any people from Analytics with Anand. You can reach out to any of my students. We are available on LinkedIn. I have given my phone number, email ID in the description of this video. So go ahead and just enroll. Right? So we will be having a dedicated WhatsApp group. So anyone who are facing or who is struggling with the installation, feel free to ping your query in the chat. Then and there. Okay, that's all from my side.
So
Thanks,
should we,
Hemant. Yeah.
so should we create account in Alteryx Cloud as well?
Yes.
Okay, so in both designer and cloud.
Yes. We'll explore that feature also. Hemant will be walking you. So both one. Yeah.
Okay, so
Once after designer is completed, we will look into cloud also.
Yeah. No need to do both in parallel. We'll look into the cloud later once the designer gets completed. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We are good. We can wrap up. Thanks, guys, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks all.
Thanks, Hemant.
Yeah,
We can
thank you,
wrap
sir.
up. Let's wrap up. Bye, guys. Take care. Good night. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. And by the way, happy Women's Day. I forgot to wish.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nice
Okay.
session.